Today we're going to introduce the new safety controller from Phoenix Contact. The PSR Tri-Safe is the newest addition to the Phoenix Contact family of safety relay products. It is important to understand that the functionality of safety controller is one step above a safety relay and one step below a safety-rated PLC. For today's demonstration, we're going to show the PSR Tri-Safe connected to digital I/O simulation modules. The I/O represents real-world safety inputs and outputs. The PSR Tri-Safe standalone safety controller comes with 20 safety inputs and 4 safety Category 4 outputs. The PSR Tri-Safe needs to be configured using the Safe Configure software package. Safe Configure can be downloaded from our website. It's fully functional and there are no licensing fees or other charges. Power the hardware on. Connect the PSR Tri-Safe safety controller hardware using a standard USB cable. Clicking on Save Function blocks shows the available applications. The lower left box shows a representation of the hardware that shows actual LED status and is used to drag the I/O into the developmental area. To start the project, click Save Function blocks and drag an emergency stop function block onto the development area. Since this e-stop is a to normally closed application, drag these contacts onto the project. Enable both blocks by wiring a true safe function to the activation inputs. Select 2 inputs directly from the graphic of the PSR Tri-Safe and drop them onto the inputs of the contact block. These are the inputs that need to be wired to the actual e-stop. Select Input 2 and drop it onto the reset input for the e-stop block for a manual reset. Grab an output and drop it onto the output of the e-stop block. Note that these outputs are rated for Category 4, so only one is needed. To activate the new program, push the Confirm button on the PSR Tri-Safe. Click the Show Online Values icon. Turn on the input simulation switches 0 and 1 and observe the hardware and the software. Switch the input simulation switch 2 that performs a manual reset and observe output 0 turning on in the software as well as the hardware. For more information about the PSR Tri-Safe or the Safe Configure software, please visit phoenixcontact.com/Tri-Safe.